After experiencing design flaws and a postponed release, the Galaxy Fold is now improved and ready for the masses. Let's take a look at what's changed. On the main foldable display, many thought that there was a removable screen protector over the screen, and when they tried to peel it off, they ended up damaging the display. To rectify this, Samsung placed the edges of the protective film underneath the side bezels, making it impossible for those with itchy fingers to scratch off. The hinge of the Galaxy Fold is where Samsung has put most of their attention to. There is now less of a gap between the hinge and the displays of the phone to prevent dirt and dust from entering. The inner parts of the hinge now have two plastic plugs at the top and bottom to also prevent dust from entering and damaging the display. Overall, the folding mechanism feels more reinforced and provides a more solid folding experience. There isn't really much that's changed visually. The specs remain the same and you still get that 4.6-inch display with thick bezels at the front. It's great that the Fold is finally being released and we will likely see more of these foldable devices in the years to come. So let us know what you think of the Samsung Galaxy Fold and whether you'd get one. As always, like and share this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video drops. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye!